This story starts about 3 years back. My brother picked up a used FIFINE K670 as his new microphone. But when he plugged it in, there was this horrible screech after a couple of minutes, hours, sometimes even seconds. This first happened after about a week, so we didn't even bother contacting the seller, and I bought it from him thinking that I might be able to use it somewhere else. Fast forward a couple of years and I decided today was the day. I was finally gonna repurpose the mic. I also finally had a spare XLR plug. These two events were definitely unrelated. First, I took apart the FIFINE, desoldered the capsule and pulled it out of the microphone. I then built a simple P48 circuit using two 10 microfarad 25 volt capacitors in series and two 300k resistors in parallel. These were the only reasonable components I had on hand, and they should come out as a 4.7 microfarad 50 volt cap and 150k ohm resistor. With the circuit complete, I proceeded to solder it up and do quick test. And behold, a sound came out. Although it sounded terrible and there was a bunch of hum, so I proceeded to try and reuse the neutral connector housing as a mic body. This quickly failed, so I turned to plan B. I made a foam cover using some electrical tape and spare foam. First I used a strip of foam to act as a soft mount for the microphone, and then I used a bit of foam on top of the microphone and joined it all using some more electrical tape. Next, I wrapped the body of the microphone in electrical tape, and finally I wrapped everything in some aluminum tape to act as shielding. Then I did some sound tests, and it did not sound bad at all. I decided to design a microphone body in CAD. I went with a very complicated design consisting of lower housing that mates with the XLR connector, main body that consists of two parts, a screw cap on the bottom and a screw cap on top. Next, I sliced it up in Prusa slicer and sent it to my Prusa Mark III to print. Overall, the design works, but some parts of the XLR connector are incorrect and the top of the case does not fit, so it's a bit of a failure. And if you are interested in how the microphone sounds, there will be a short sound test right now. 1 2 3 test 1 2 3. This is me speaking into the microphone. 1 2 3 test 1 2 3. This sound test came out of my standard Behringer UMC22 interface, and there was a small noise gate applied. I ordered some POI 5024 capsules, so there will be more microphone building videos in the future. I would also like to build my own portable audio interface, but I still have to do more research on that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. It really helps the channel.